Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be answering the question, how long is Robux pending for? So, let's get right into this guide. First, let me show you how to view your pending Robux. Head over to the Roblox website and log in. Once you're on the site, go to the top right corner and tap on your current Robux balance. As you can see, I have 0 Robux. When you tap on your balance, you'll see 2 options, another balance and buy Robux. Tap on the second balance option. This will take you to the transaction page. Here, you can see your sales of goods and your pending Robux just below that. If you're using Roblox Mobile, you need to open Roblox in your browser, not the app, and follow the same steps. Now, let's talk about how long your Robux will be pending. The minimum time is usually at least 3 to 5 days. However, it can take up to 30 days. Essentially, you should expect to wait at least 3 to 5 days, but it will definitely be completed within 30 days. If it's still pending after 30 days, you should contact Roblox support. You might be wondering why there's such a wait time. This is actually an anti-abuse measure by Roblox. It allows them to moderate transactions and prevent any misuse or violation of their terms of service. I hope you found this guide useful. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more helpful guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.